Kael Mata had planned to go big on his organization's annual HIV awareness project, Safe Love. Multiple sites for testing and distribution of prevention products, with dozens of volunteers all over this Manila suburb. The USAID was set to provide all the necessary funding until US President Donald Trump suspended foreign aid.
Personally, as
a leader, I don't feel comfortable calling in volunteers without being able to pay for food and transportation, at the very least.
Kael still managed to mount a campaign, though on a smaller scale. He had to, he says, because HIV is spreading at an alarming rate in the Philippines. HIV cases and AIDS-related deaths are declining in Africa, but are on the rise in other parts of the world. The Philippines is one of the new hotspots, with an average of around 50 cases being recorded each day. Advocates say that while USAID funding makes up a fraction of the country's total allocation, most of the money goes into preventive measures crucial to slowing down the epidemic. Out of $134 million earmarked by the Health Department for HIV programs this year, foreign funding accounts for only $14 million. But since 2020, USAID has given nearly $35 million. The Geneva-based Global Fund contributes more, but the US government is also its largest donor. This has advocates worried.
I really have no idea what the future holds for a Global Fund. They are the ones who procures pre-exposure prophylaxis and self-test kits at the moment. In the next 2 years, it's okay, but it's gonna be shaky after that because we don't know.
Philippines health officials say the US government's fund freeze is a wake-up call.
Now, it is clear that governments, including ours, must recognize our own priorities and take more responsibility for financing these priorities in our national health budgets.
Love Yourself, the largest NGO in the country specializing in HIV services, has stopped its free delivery service. But at the same time, it's taking on more patients and employing more staff to help fill the void left by at least 10 clinics that have had to close in recent weeks. Barnaby, Al Jazeera, Manila.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.